In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple pages for your Canva website. So this is currently my homepage. It doesn't really have anything but just the homepage text, just so I can know it is the homepage. So to add new pages to your website, click on this plus symbol at the bottom. If you don't see it, just make sure you are in the pages mode. So toggle this button on at the bottom right. It should look like this if you don't have it toggled on, but if you have it toggled, it should be like this. And then click on the add page button to add a new page. And you can add as many pages as you want, just click on this plus button. And then of course, don't forget to name your pages by clicking on the three dots, and then click on add page title to rename the page. And I'm gonna call this about. And that's it. That's how you can add multiple pages to your Canva website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.